A particle is moving eastward with a velocity of 5 meter per second. In 10 seconds, the velocity changes to 5 meter per second, north direction. Then find the average acceleration. So, here we are taking, this is north and this is south and this is the east and this is the west. So, a particle is moving eastward with a velocity of 5 meter per second. East direction. Generally what we are taking, you compare with x dash, y dash. Along x direction always we are taking one unit vector, that is I. Similarly x dash minus I. Y direction j. Y dash direction minus j. Vertically upward I am taking as k. Vertically downward I am taking as minus k. This we are comparing as it is. North j, east I, west minus I, south minus j, north j, vertically upward k, downward minus k. So we are remembering all these things. What is the unit vector? We know. Which vector magnitude is 1 is called unit vector. What is the importance or significance of this? For showing direction. So, but that vector concept we are applying. Particle moving eastward with a velocity of 5 meter per second. So in the east direction, what is the velocity? Initial velocity. What is the velocity? 5 meter per second. So you write in the vector form. Then what happens? It is east direction. So what I am writing? In the east direction comparing with I, 5I. Similarly, in 10 seconds. Now what is the time? In 10 seconds. Its velocity changes 5 meter per second towards north. Towards north. That is the final velocity. That was how much? 5 meter per second. Along north what I am taking? 5j. Again this also meter per second only. So this is vector form. Now what we are finding? Acceleration finding. Now what is the formula for acceleration? Acceleration equals to, generally what is the formula for acceleration? V minus u by t. So what is the V? Final velocity. Here what is the final velocity? 5j minus initial velocity. What is the initial velocity? 5I by time. How much time here? 10 seconds. So now what is the acceleration? Here I am taking 5 common. So j minus I by 10. 5 ones are 5 twos are. So finally that is the acceleration. So what is the acceleration here now? This acceleration equals to j by 2 minus I by 2. What are the units for acceleration? Meter per second square. Now you find its magnitude. What is the magnitude? So what is the formula for finding magnitude? If A equals to A1I plus A2J, then what is its magnitude formula? Square root of A1 square plus A2 square. This formula we are applying. Now you apply in that case. Then this implies its magnitude equals to square root of, what about x component? Minus 1 by 2. So minus 1 by 2 whole square. Y component what? J. 1 by plus 1 by 2 whole square. So totally what we are adding here? Magnitude, that equals to 1 by 4. Again plus 1 by 4. So by taking LCM, we are getting as 1 plus 1. So square root of 2 by 4. Now what I am getting? 1 by root 2 meter per second square. So that is the magnitude of acceleration. Now I want direction. Direction how comes? Here minus I plus j. In that direction what is there? A is there. So this is the magnitude process. Again I am finding direction. So for finding direction, so what is the A value? This A equals to j by 2 minus I by 2 meter per second square. So here you take this is x and this is x dash and this is y and this is y dash, like north, south, east, west. This is I. This is minus I. So minus I means here comes. Again plus j. Plus j means here comes. So this is acceleration vector coming in the second quadrant. So in this what I am getting? A acceleration coming. Now I want to find the theta. For example, this is x coordinate and what is this? Y coordinate. So parallel to this, if you create this, so vector how creating? This is A vector. So this is my y component and this is my x component. So parallel to this, if you create here I am getting y component, here I am getting x component. This belongs to x component, this belongs to y component. Now what is the theta? Tan theta equal to y component by x component. Now what is the tan theta? Tan theta equal to y component. Here what is the y component? 1 by 2. What is the x component? Minus 1 by 2. Minus represents in this quadrant only. I am taking the quadrant, so no need to take minus. Again here you take 1 by 2. Totally cancel. What I am getting? 1. So tan theta equals to tan 45. 45 means what? This total value 90 degrees. 45 means what? Center coming. Center means this is north and this is west. So simply we are taking northwest. What is the meaning of northwest? Northwest means 45 degrees. For example, if it is not coming like this, for example, it is making 30 degrees. Like this value we are getting. In that case, how writing? In this case, we are taking from back side. So this is north and this is south. From south to 30 degrees north. North 30 degrees south right. This is the concept. What is the meaning of this? From south to towards north going 30 degrees angle. From south, this is south. So this is north, south, east, west. So north 30 degrees west. So from west to north I am going this angle 30 degrees. If it is 30 degrees comes, it is 45 degrees. So just northwest. Northwest means what? It is from north of 45 degrees west or west of 45 degrees north. In that any way you take that, because 45 degrees is center. If it is coming 30 degrees like this concept we are applying. So if it is 30 degrees what writing? North 30 degrees west. Back side considering west of 30 degrees north. From west side to north going angle is 30 degrees. So that is the concept for writing angle. So this is the direction of the acceleration.